What's going on, guys? My name is Blabster, and today we're in our dwarf skin. That's okay. Today is going to be our third installment of the Villager series. Let's go over what we've done so far first, shall we? So, to start with, we built this Villager breeder here, which I also just recently built in Skyblock. I didn't do a tutorial, but here it is right here. It's me. Then we did a trading hall over here. Let's be the one. You can obviously use to make it big as you want. And then today, we're doing either a fully automatic potato or carrot farm. Most of us that I know on my server call this a greedy farm because basically here the farmer tries to feed this villager here and can't, and it goes in the hopper minecart and it comes right over here. Just like this, and he throws them at him. So let's get to it. Basically, this farm here is very similar to the villager breeder we built. We're going to start out by making a 9x9 box. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Come to the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break this and place some water here. Like that. I do this first. Give time to crops to grow and all that. Place any block of your choice right here. It's a temporary block. Place a composter above the water. It doesn't have to be there, but I recommend it. And then place a block of some sort. I recommend glowstone just because it produces light for this farm as well. Make sure the walls are at least too high. That your villagers can't get out, and the stupid slimes because can't get in. And neither can the chickens. That's okay for now. Okay, you are going to need one opening, but we'll do that in a second. Oops, there we go. Then I recommend using your hoe and hoeing the whole area. I'm going to do this off camera just to save a little bit of time. Just because as soon as you get this done, the quicker the potatoes. Remember, I do have my... Oops, we built this one too big. Achoo! 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 Apparently I can't count. Achoo! Achoo! Sorry about that. Break this because apparently I can't count this tutorial. I apologize for that. But yeah, hoe the whole area, or plow, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually going to... Oops. There we go. That's where it's supposed to... Turn back down a random tick speed. Now it will mean stuff grows much slower, but it'll go correctly. Just like this. Plant of potatoes. And I'll be back, and now it's like that's done. Plant all your potatoes here like this. Now again, if you've already built the villager farm, all this stuff so far should be pretty self-explanatory. Also, I'm not going to do this tutorial, but make sure you add a roof of some sort. The villagers can't get struck by lightning and become witches. And, well, witches aren't going to make you potatoes or carrots. So then after this, go to about the middle of the farm here and break the wall down. Break a block, and just make sure you can get out to where... I'm going to go like this right here. Make sure you can get out to where you can open the chest. Add a hopper, and a hopper. Get a rail. And you're going to place a rail on top of this last hopper like this, and the hopper minecart on top of that. Now then, take a carpet, just because you don't want the villager to get stuck in the minecart, place it on top of here. Get back out your blocks, and make sure the villager isn't be trapped. And here's something like this. And I like to add a roof so we can't jump on over. Just like this. Now, this will completely work here. There's 2 villagers in here. You get one guy in here, One guy here. And you got a working farm once they obviously grow. And that's all there is to it. Now, some notes on this farm. It is not super fast. It will work pretty good once it's going. And all the potatoes or carrots on this chest right here. You can move this chest anywhere you want. And you can have different systems to move it. You don't need that hopper trail going on. You can have it go straight down and over if you wanted. Whatever you want. Obviously, you have to make it out of wool. You can make it out of grass or anything. You do need a roof in case lightning comes. It will strike a villager and turn this villager into a witch. That's the only thing to know. And guys, with that, I will see you next time. Bye!